Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how to add a vertical divider in WordPress website. So let's go to dashboard. Make sure that you have installed Elementor WordPress plugin, and after that let me show you the plugins I have installed. And also, if you have installed essential add-ons for the Elementor, then that is easy for you to add a vertical divider in your website. Let's edit one of the page. For example, I want to edit this demo page. Now here you can see Elementor page builder is loading. It will take just few seconds. So let's wait, and after that we will discuss two methods to add a vertical divider in your website. So let's add two column row. After that, now click and search for divider. Here you can see these are two elements or widgets that comes with Elementor, and one is Elementor add-on that is called essential add-ons. Here you can see on the top EA. Just drag it. Now here you can see this is horizontal divider, and let's try another. Just drag it, and after that here you can see vertical option. Just click here. After that here you can see by default this is dashed. Now you can select it solid. So this is one method. Let's discuss another. Now let's click on this, and after that let's align it in the center, and also we can reduce its width. Now go to advanced, and after that search for custom CSS. Now scroll down, and here we can type selector, then add bracket, transform, rotate. Now here add 90. So now here you can see divider is in vertical form. Now click update. So you can use one of the method to add a vertical divider in your website.